Hey guys, Jason Nedved here with Nedved Precision Shooting. I got a new rifle. It may look familiar as in a chassis, but it is a TL3 and a 6 ARC. I had a partner, this little guy right here. I had a partner in a team match shoot a 6 ARC because he wanted factory ammo. Didn't want a 6 Creedmoor, so went with the 6 ARC here. All these mags. Oh, there we go. And so I built one. It took a while. They are a different bolt face, so it's not just your regular 308 or your 223. There's something a little different, so you gotta special order it. So that's what I did. But it is a nice day in December for us. So I got this put in this chassis. It wasn't an ACC Elite. I wanted that ACC Elite for my dasher, so I took that ACC and put it on this as a backup rifle, factory gun, and then I put my dasher in the ACC Elite because I'm super excited to use that, because that will be one of my primary guns anyway. I took this scope off of a 22, possibly. I don't remember. So I have not shot it at all, completely new. Got it all set up, ready to go. So we're gonna do some of the first shots out of it. We'll shoot at 100 and see what happens. I'm going to get all my data collection and then shoot at distance here, hopefully yet today. Hopefully it doesn't take more than that box of ammo there. Get that all set up, there we go. So then we can just collect our speeds as we're shooting. So we got 100 yards. I put a big vertical target up because of it being possibly on a 22. So we'll just aim at this pink one right in the center, see what happens. Looked like way low. So we've seen that grass hit below. So let's go 5 mils up, because if you look, if we hit the grass below, that's about 5 mils. So we'll aim 5 mils up at that same pink dot. We hit the grass behind it. But where did that hit on our board? Oh, right there. So 5 mils was a pretty good guess. Look, 5 mils. It's just so when you go down 5 mils into the right, probably a 1.4. So let's get that adjustment. All right, so I think I got it adjusted close enough. I do not see that one. What did I do incorrectly? I got too far? Let's shoot this one. What the heck? Okay, that was that. 5 mils. Needs the crosshairs to go down. Right? So if you go down, yeah, I went the correct way. Went down 5 mils. Then I went to the right 1.5 whatever. No, I went the wrong way there, I think. So I need to go to the left. 1. About there. All right, let's see what happens there. All right. Pink dot, let's go. I'm gonna go half mil right. Pink dot. There we go, right there. So now, we still need to go to the left, 1.2. So, go to the left, not the right, 1.2. And then do we need to go down yet, or what do we need to do here? That was the pink, we need to go down probably what, 3/10? Down 3/10. Wait, or do we need to go up? Now I'm doubting myself. Yeah, we need to go down 3/10. 1, 2, 3. Up there. All right. Now in theory, we should be able to hit that pink dot. What did I do wrong now? Go for the orange dot, I guess? Went way too far. Oh, because I put it over here. Holy cow, this is embarrassing, guys. 4/10 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right, so it was sighted in for a 22. So now, in theory, we should be dead on that pink dot now. Just low. So go up. 1/10. Up 1/10 and go right 1/10. We're going to tighten her down. Let's see what happens. All right, green dot up top here. Okay. If I didn't have a mental breakdown, we would have had that right off the bat. So, with all that, we got, with this Hornady factory ammo, we have 9 shots. Should have only took 3 or 4. Max of 2813, min of 2768, for an average of 2786. So build a profile in here. There we go. And then get a BC off of this. So we got a BC on the website here of a G1 at 536. So we'll just run that. So then it's saying it should be 0.9 at 275. Let's check that real quick. There we go. Let's just go for it, huh? A little bit left to right, not too much. Okay. And then, what's the next one? Oops. Next one would be 450 at 0.2 2.3 with 2 to 4/10 left. And this whole time I'm gathering velocity, so that's nice. So at 450, 2/10 left. There you go. Then let's test that one out there, which is 580 at 3.5 and about 4/10 to the right. It says 3 to 6, so we're just going to split it and do 4. 4/10 to the right. Oh, too much wind. Or to the left, I mean. Went, I could see that go all the way down there. Just aim at the target. There you go. So, brand new rifle, other than me sighting it in and having my difficulties. Got 6 rounds left. We got, yep, still average of 27.84. And I did what, 27.86. So yeah. Yeah, less than a box of ammo. Got a new rifle sighted in. Super excited. I'm just gonna shoot off some barricades and see how it goes. Love it. So it's real quick what this is. ACC chassis that I took off my dasher. We talked about that. Razor Gen 3, the Zermatt Arms TL3 with a TS Custom, MTU Plus 6 arc barrel with an Ace brake. Obviously you can get all this through me. I did just order 2 new Schmediums. They stopped making this color, so I special requested a couple more. They had some there, so they made me some, so I figured break it in now because it is definitely not broken. But yeah, 6 arc is running well. Let's see how it does at some barricades, or off the barricade here. Let's see here. I forgot which one I got dialed for. I think this one here. The sun's kind of tough, but looking pretty solid. Just a little low is all. Yeah, that feels good. Drop that one low. That was on me. That one was good though. Yeah. So that's the new 6 arc. Love it. Let's get it to some matches, huh? Thanks for watching. Sorry for the 0 debacle. A little struggle, but yeah, it's usually not like that. The whole camera thing screwed me up. But comment down below if you also have trouble zeroing and left, right, up, down, that stuff. But yeah, absolutely love it. Can't wait to run it at a match. We'll see you guys at the range. Thanks.